back to our YouTube channel. Today we are making orange cake, and make sure you like, subscribe and share. If you are the one who told me I'm so cute, thank you. Cute too. Let's bake. Cheers!
Guys, so today Aria wants me to speak, so we are going to speak. Let's start. We're gonna do orange cake, and yeah, let's get started. We'll start with 1 cup of butter.
Next.
Sugar. Bring the sugar. Next, we're gonna add sugar. Yeah.
This is the sugar.
We're going to mix that up. We're gonna mix it, and it's gonna make sure you mix it well. I want it to be velvety and very soft. So you want it to be very light and fluffy.
Guys, we are cracking.
Next, we're gonna crack in 4 eggs. Go ahead.
This is the first one. Let's go to the second one. Mix it.
Mix.
Guys, we are mixing it and we are mixing it again.
You want it light again, light and fluffy like this. See how it looks? It's like that.
Guys, I told my auntie to talk because she doesn't talk.
Yes. What did you do?
I told you to talk.
Okay. Yes, you did. Now what's next? Next is the flour. We're going to sift in the flour. There you go. Put it back in there. Okay. And then add. And there we go. And then the next we're gonna add in baking powder and baking soda.
Which one first?
Or any. Make sure you put everything inside. 1, 2. There. Hey. There we go. Okay. We're gonna mix that. No, wait first.
More.
We need more. Now pour.
And then we add 1/2 cup buttermilk.
There you go.
And there's the orange juice.
And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence.
And to say what 1 hour next week.
Next, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of orange zest. So once you've added the orange zest, what you need to do is use your spatula instead of the mixer to mix it.
That's the orange peel.
Put it here.
We'll then transfer it into a prepared pan and bake 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. I used my countertop air fryer. This has been amazing since my oven stopped working, and I baked it for an hour at 320 degrees. So there you go. Look at that. So fluffy, very moist, so tender. It was so good. It was so good. Like it was done by the next morning. The next day when I woke up, we only had like 1 piece left. Everyone loved it. It is really good. And the orange zest, like it does, I don't know, it's you have to try this one. Just look at that. Look at the crumbs. There you go, lovelies. This is our delicious orange cake. A huge thank you to my lovely assistant Aria for helping out and being our official taste taster. And thank you all so much for spending your quiet hour with us. We truly appreciate and love you always. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more weekly videos so you don't miss out on all the yummy dishes we have coming your way. Until next time, bye.